In a related development, MPs have been praising Ghana's frontline workers for their efforts in helping contain the COVID-19 pandemic as the nation marks Workers' Day. In a speech on the floor of Parliament late last night, MP for Sunyani West and Minister for Employment and Labour Relations, Ignatius Bafo, assured government's commitment to the welfare of workers remains high despite the impact of the pandemic.
Unfortunately for us, Mr. Speaker, the excitement that accompanies the celebration has been dampened by the outbreak of the COVID-19 and the consequent need to implement measures aimed at mitigating its effects on the populace. Nonetheless, it is important that the significance of the day is not lost on us. This is crucial because various categories of workers are even more exposed to the disease. Of particular mention are our gallant health workers in the forefront of the fight, some of whom have already paid the price, and we need to appreciate them on a day like this.
Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, Osei Mensah, called for realistic negotiations between Labour and government on how well employers can be remunerated, bearing in mind the impact of COVID-19 on the economy.
The issue of living wages, and we all do know that with the passing of the years, even the living wages keep eroding. We must be realistic, and yet we all do acknowledge that the economy of the Republic is not in the best of shapes, even though we are starting to come out strongly. Now we are a lower middle income country, but we need to aspire higher. Speaker, there are difficulties, and unfortunately, when we're striving to measure up over the past 3 years, we have been brought down again by this COVID-19 pandemic. How to climb up again is going to be a real difficulty for us. That is why it is important at this stage to begin negotiations with organized labor, for us to know realistically what is ahead of us as a country.